I don't know how we're gonna get that up here, dude. Dude. Oh.
Yeah. I knew I was gonna happen. Roll back.
There we go. I don't know what I got. Oh, he's fighting good. Oh boy. It's a red, baby. Oh. What do we got? Lizard. Oh, I mean, that was convenient. Not that I know of. Oh, shoot. First cast. That's a red. Dude, this is a big fish. Yeah, it's running. This fish ran. I don't want him to. You're gonna have to get the net, bro. This one's really big. I don't know. What is that? Pretty good size. Holy shnikes, that is a healthy one. Oh, I foul hooked him, no wonder. I'm going out to sea, Jared. Oh no!
You tickle his fucking gut and you said, fuck it, I'm not.
If he wants to run, just let him run. Oh, that's a better one. Nice. Yeah, that's a keeper. Let me go grab the net. Holy cow. Those are some big reds. And there's more of them.